everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we made it through 2020. Finally, it's over. Let's hope for a better 2021, but let's have a look back at 2020. We're about to make our first pass of the season. Woo. 763 at 96. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we are out here at Jake's Drag Strip. Thank you, sir. So, guys, we did it. 746 at 96.5 mile per hour. Yeah. Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are here at the pre-meet, and look at all the Mustangs. Look at all the Mustangs. And this is just the pre-meet. Everybody is out here. Do what? You got 50 on me?
Yeah, remember me and him? I got Pony, he's got you.
Boss man, I'm sorry.
I know.
Guys, we had a blast running.
Where's your daddy? Hands your daddy.
Guys, we finally set the wheels in motion for force induction. We are going twin turbo. Guys, it is finally time to start on the Hellhorse Performance twin turbo kit install on the 2020 Mustang GT. All right, so we got everything together in the car and we are ready to fire it up. So guys, that last run we did 674, 578 torque, 9 pounds of boost. So we made 726 at 11.3 pounds of boost. Guys, we are here with the blue car for its first night at the drag strip. A 695 at 106. We are back at the drag strip. We got the Maniac, we got John, and we got Cody with us. And of course, we've got the blue car. .684 at 109. Alright guys, so yes, we broke an axle. We picked these up from Lethal Performance. Thank you, Lethal, for the quick shipping, but we picked these up. These are DSS 2,000 horsepower axles. We are here at NMR8.
60. 130. Quarter mile.
That felt really, really good, guys. That was only on 7 pounds of boost. That is it. Okay, here we go, guys. So we did a 175 60 foot. We did a 686 at 108. We did a 1048 at 135. 7 pounds of boost, guys. That is it. We are down here at Jake's Drag Shop in Alabama for the event, the Streetcar Classic. Streetcar, baby.
Hey, does it have AC?
Yeah.
Alright then.
AC, heat, everything.
There you go.
Alright guys, this is gonna be his first time down the track, and so I got it turned down on 7 pounds.
Damn, that's fast. Damn.
I left it in drive too, so
Oh my God.
I didn't want that was in drive. It pulls a little more timing in between shifts. I wanted to make sure everything went good this pass.
Oh
So
man, my heart like to jump out of the...
how'd it feel?
Man, that was fast like a jet.
Felt like a good pass right there. Guys, I think we might have just got our best time yet. The draggy is saying 674. So I think we just made our fastest pass. That was on 8 pounds of boost. Yes, sir. So there we go. Woo! Damn, 168 60 foot, 670 at 110 mile per hour. Man, she was moving. But guys, as you can see, we got the blue car here at Hellhorse Performance and on the rack, and we're about to start ripping this kit off and going with the new 4-to-1 headers, getting in stock modified manifolds, going to the 4-to-1s, and of course we're going to keep these turbos. But as far as everything else, we're getting new co-piping, new down pipes. So basically the only thing staying on the turbo kit that's already here is the intercooler, the turbos, the wastegates, the blow-off valve, and of course my exhaust. But everything else is changing. All right guys, so we got the stock modified exhaust manifold off, and as you can see, this actually worked in the car. It did good. We went pretty quick on it, but this is now the new standard, and this is what I wanted in the car. We are about to get the new stuff on the car, and yes, I cannot wait.
I told you 650. 6 pounds, baby. 6 pounds, 650. Already it sounds so much better.
Yeah. Back on 2020, I had an absolute blast in 2020 despite everything that went on. Yes, could have had a lot more fun if it wouldn't have been for a few things, but you know what, it is what it is. But guys, I figure I would end this video with kind of showing you guys how the car's been holding up since we put the new Hellhorse twin turbos set up on there, and guys, the car is doing absolutely fantastic. Put it up in the air to check things over. I do this periodically when I'm racing. I usually do this once a week just to make sure everything is good. And it's been a while since I had it up in the air. I think since I left Houston, this is the first time I've had it up in the air. This is your first time seeing it. What do you think about the new setup?
I like it a lot better. I like the symmetry better, and like you said, the fit, the finish. You got room around the filters. You got room everywhere. It's
and
so
then you're
better.
not, the turbo's not, this right here is not up against this, pushing on it no more.
No.
I mean, everything fits so much better, guys. And the flow, the 4-to-1 flow is so much better. The kit's been doing great since I've had it on the car, guys. I want to get the car out to the drag strip and do some things with it, but I've got to wait for the weather to come along or go somewhere down south and stuff like that. So what is in store for 2021? You know what, guys? All I know is we're gonna have a lot of fun. Stay tuned to the channel to find out what's in store for 2021. We've had customers' cars in here. We're gonna have more customers' cars this coming up year. Gonna have a lot of fun this coming up year. Drag racing, you name it, it's gonna happen right here on the channel. So if you're not subscribed, please do so, and we'll see you next time.